This is a step-by-step guide to ordering indemnity products from CLS via the OneSearch Direct order platform. Log in to the ordering platform with your user details. Once in and at your dashboard, click Order Insurance and Indemnity Policies on the right-hand side. Enter your references for the order. For this example, we'll use test. Enter the postcode of the property in question. This will bring up a list of address choices on the right-hand side where you can select your property. When ready, click Confirm Address. This takes you to the Products page. Click Get a Quote underneath CLS Indemnities. Select from the range of insurance products available from CLS via OneSearch Direct. You can choose from the drop-down list or pick from the products below. When selected, click Check Assumptions. Then complete the following information and confirm the assumptions listed. When ready, click Confirm Details and Request Quote. CLS is now preparing your request, and your quote should appear within the next few minutes. You may need to refresh your page to ensure that it appears underneath Demands and Needs. If you leave this page, you can always return to the quote by going to your dashboard or the Return to Current Order button and clicking on the indemnity product. Once the sample is ready, click View File and make sure that you're satisfied with the contents. Double check to make sure that you're satisfied with everything on this page. You can edit the inception date as required if it's different from the current date. At the bottom of this page, you'll need to confirm that the above details are correct. Once selected, click Save Details. Your products will be added to the order. From here, you can click Place Order and then click Place Order. If at the assumption stage any details cannot be confirmed, you have the option of clicking Refer to Underwriter. On this page, fill in the required information and click Bespoke Quote. For more information on indemnity products from CLS, please contact your account manager. Alternatively, please contact inquiries@onesearchdirect.co.uk.